Python is a popular programming language that has gained immense popularity over the years. It is known for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Python is used for many things, from web development to scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and more. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. People use Python to create websites, analyze data, and automate tasks. It is also widely used in machine learning, game development, and even in the creation of desktop applications. Python is easy to learn and use, thanks to its clear and straightforward syntax. This makes it an ideal language for those who are just starting their programming journey. This ease of learning makes Python perfect for beginners, but it is also powerful enough to be used by professionals for complex projects. Python is free and open source, which means that anyone can use, modify, and distribute it without any cost. This has contributed to its widespread adoption. This means anyone can use and distribute it, fostering a collaborative environment where developers can share their work and build upon each other's contributions. Python has a large and active community. This community is a valuable resource for learning and troubleshooting, as there are countless forums, tutorials, and documentation available. There are many resources available online, including comprehensive guides, video tutorials, and interactive courses that can help you master Python. These resources can help you learn and use Python effectively, whether you are a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of projects. Its flexibility allows developers to experiment and innovate in various fields. It can be used for a wide range of projects, from simple scripts to complex machine learning algorithms, making it a valuable tool for any programmer. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or anything in between, Python is a great choice. Its extensive libraries and frameworks make it suitable for almost any task. Start your Python journey today and unlock the potential of this powerful programming language. With Python, the possibilities are endless. To use Python, you need to install it on your computer. Python is a versatile programming language that's widely used in various fields, from web development to data science. Installing it is the first step to unlocking its potential. You can download Python from the official website python.org. This site is the central hub for all things Python, including documentation, tutorials, and community resources. This website has everything related to Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find valuable information and tools here. Look for the download section. This is where you'll find the latest versions of Python available for different operating systems. Find the version for Windows. Click the download button. Make sure to choose the version that matches your operating system to avoid compatibility issues. The website will automatically detect your Windows version. This feature ensures that you download the correct installer without any hassle. Choose the correct file for your computer. There are different installer files available, so make sure to select the one that suits your system's architecture. Most likely, you will need the 64-bit installer. This is the standard for most modern computers, providing better performance and compatibility. Once the download is complete, you will have an installer file. This file is essential for setting up Python on your machine. This file will start the installation process on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, and soon you'll be ready to start coding in Python. Double-click the installer file to get started. This is the first step in setting up Python on your computer. This action will launch the Python Installation Wizard, which is a user-friendly interface designed to guide you through the installation process. A new window will pop up presenting you with several options and settings that you can configure. This window is essentially a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate through the installation process smoothly. The first step is crucial. It involves selecting the right options to ensure that Python is installed correctly. One of the most important options to select is the Add Python to Path option. This option makes it easier to run Python commands from the command line, simplifying your workflow. Make sure to check the box for Add Python to Path before proceeding. Once you've configured the settings, click Install Now to begin the installation process. You will see a progress bar indicating that the installation is in progress. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. Congratulations! Python is now installed on your computer and you are ready to start coding. Section 4. Understanding advanced installation options. The Python installer offers additional options. These options provide more control over the installation. You can customize the installation location. The default location is usually fine. You can also choose specific features to install. Most beginners can stick with the default selections. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Section 5. Verifying your Python installation. After installation, you need to verify it. This ensures Python is working correctly. Open the command prompt. You can find it by searching in the Start menu. Type Python version and press Enter. If the installation was successful, you'll see the Python version. This confirms Python is ready to use. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python on your Windows computer. Now, you can start exploring the world of programming.